Can you get dental implants if you have bone loss? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Dr. Ty Barnes from Secure Dentures and Implants here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today we're addressing a very important question. Can I get dental implants if I have bone loss? This is a common concern for many patients, especially denture patients, and I'm here to give you the information that you need. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what bone loss is. When teeth are missing, the jawbone can begin to deteriorate over time due to a lack of stimulation. This is because the roots of your teeth help maintain the bone's density. Without that stimulation, the bone can weaken, which can lead to further dental issues. Now here's the good news. Dental implants can actually help prevent further bone loss. When an implant is placed, it acts as a replacement root, stimulating the jawbone just like a natural tooth would. If you have bone loss, the first step is to assess your bone density through imaging such as X-rays or a CT scan. This helps us determine if there's enough bone to support an implant or if additional procedures are needed. If we find that your bone density is insufficient, don't worry. There are options available. One common solution is bone grafting, where we add bone material to the area to promote new bone growth. This can create a stable foundation for your implant. Additionally, if implants aren't a viable option for you, there are alternatives such as dentures or bridges that can restore your smile. However, implants are often the best choice for long-term dental health. Beyond aesthetics, dental implants help maintain facial structure and prevent the sunken appearance that often accompanies bone loss. They also improve chewing function, making it easier to enjoy your favorite foods. We have many success stories here at Secure Dentures and Implants. Patients who once thought they couldn't get implants due to bone loss have achieved fantastic results after treatment. In conclusion, having bone loss almost never disqualifies you from getting dental implants. With proper evaluation and the right treatment plan, you can still enjoy the benefits of this life-changing procedure. If you have more questions or would like to explore your options, I encourage you to schedule a free consultation at any of our Secure Dentures and Implants locations. We're here to help you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more dental tips and insights. Have experiences or questions to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.